mag-solo flight ako, magko-coordinate, akong talent coordinator, everything. Ako na yon. Lahat ng ibang aspeto, ako na yon. And then I also asked the assistants of my daughter based in Tokyo, si Ayla. So yun, ganun ka minimal ang aming team. So, sa maniwala kayo sa hindi, I started TikTok with Aster Moyo in June. Actually, June kami unang nag-taping, but the first upload was I started July 2020. Peak yun, di ba? Peak yun ng pandemic. And guess kung sino una kong in-interview. Since anak-anakan ko si Pops Fernandez, hindi siya lumalabas. But because of me, sabi niya, tita, you know that I don't go out. But because of you, hindi ako makahindi. Napalabas ko si Pops. Alam niyo, unang taping namin sa studio mismo ng Studio Manila, in Bikutan. Naka-lockdown yung mga doon, grabe ang lugar na yun. I didn't have a driver, syempre at that time. Ako lang nag-drive, ang daming pasikot-sikot, tikipot ng kalye, pinuntahan ko yun. Pinuntahan si Pops, nakatalubog pa si Pops eh. So I won't forget that. So si Pops ang kaunahan ko pong in-interview. And then that propelled yung